Hi again, this is Robin from Progress South Elementary Pollinator Habitats. We are in the second garden right now where we have a large button bush. It's doing very well. Lots of pollinators on this particular bush, especially when the flowers kind of come out here. This one's starting to really fluff out. Very cool. These areas I'm showing you are drainage ditches, as you can see, and kind of could be called rain gardens, I suppose. We just refer to them as our pollinator habitats. This habitat has a little bit of a different makeup. We have spread seeds from our first habitat to this area. We have also received extra plants from the same grant that Bob Lee wrote, and we were able to get more live plants and seed. And we have, I believe this is a tick seed. I'm not positive on that. Again, if anybody knows for sure, I would love to hear from you. The bulk of what you see that's green right here that is not bloomed yet is actually Biden's, and it has dominated this garden. Interestingly enough, it was not something that we planted. Don't know where it came from, but it is spectacular when it blooms. I'll have to get another video out to you when it does. In the middle there, we've got some more bee balm. And we've got some senna right here. We typically get cardinal flower in this garden too. I don't see any right now. It may not have been blooming yet. It is quite a damp place. And then as you can see, this is the star of this garden as well, is our swamp milkweed, which loves it here. It is also full of bees right now. Beautiful. We've got some more hibiscus at the end. They too love it. You might hear me as I'm walking here squishing a little bit. Like I said, it is a very damp area. This garden has just completely filled in. This was started in 2017. It's just off the playground area down a large drainage area. Like I said, a lot of this Biden's. We've got a dragonfly. I keep wanting to follow it with my phone here. I'll make you guys dizzy. And beautiful black-eyed Susans. And that kind of completes the tour of this area here. And I'll move on to our third garden.